In this video, I'll quickly show us how to fix our cuff and placket to our long sleeve, either our button-down shirts or our native wear, the placket and the cuff. All right, I believe we already know how to cut our sleeves. We already know how to cut our sleeves. A recap now, the sleeve length of this person, the sleeve length is 16 and the round sleeve is 8. Take note, you measure the wrist point here, you measure this wrist point, then you measure the elbow point and you measure the biceps. So you take note of those 3 points, right? Okay, I believe we already know how to do this. A recap, let's assume this is our sleeve. Now, remember the sleeve length is 16. So you remove the cuff width. Remember the width of our cuff, take note. The cuff here, take note, for this case, we are using the width 2 inches. For adults, you can use 3, 3.5 or 4 inches. For a kid, I'm using a width cuff of 2 inches and the length, that is the round sleeve, is 8, right? So to cut that, you remove the 2 inches as shown. Remove these 2 inches for the cuff. Remember the sleeve length is 16. So you measure 16. So take note, you have there 16, right? The extra 1 inch, remember ½ inch to join the sleeve to the body, then ½ inch to join the cuff to the sleeve, giving us 17. Take note, if for example the sleeve is 16 and the width of the cuff is 2 inches, remove the 2 inches. Remove the 2 inches. If you want to use 3, remove the 3 inches and you take the sleeve length. Now, this person's sleeve length is 16 and the width cuff is 2. So I'm removing the 2 from this up here. Remove the 2 from this up here, right? And you take the sleeve length, as you can see there, 16 plus 1 inch there, making it 17. ½ inch is for us to join this sleeve to the body, then ½ inch to join the other part, right? So now, take note, in cutting your long sleeve, there is the left sleeve and the right sleeve. A lot of fashion designers make this mistake of fixing your left sleeve to the right part of your body and your right sleeve to the left part. Please let us take note. We have the left sleeve. Now, let's assume this is our fabric, right? Let's assume this is our sleeve, the 2 sleeve, and this is the wrong side. Let us assume that these are the wrong side. So how do you go about this? Now, place the 2 good sides. This is a good side, right? Place the 2 good sides together as shown. Place the 2 good sides as shown. Want to indicate the left and the right. Right? Place it as shown. Then now fold this into 2. Now fold this into 2, right? Fold this into 2. Now pick, remember it will be 4 pieces. So you pick just 2 alone. 1, 2, right? Then you now cut, you put a slit there. Take note, you put a slit. Now the slit depth should be up to, like, let's say 3, or just where you do your normal senator placket, right? As you can see. So we'll now open this. If we've done that, take note. This slit is at the center half. Take note. Folding this into 2, you get the center and you put that slit, right? Okay, now we open this. Now the good side should be facing you. The good side should be facing you. How do we indicate the left and the right? Now let's pick this. Now this is a good side facing you right now. Take a look at the slit point. Is it towards your left or towards your right? If you take a look, this is at your left. So we indicate this left. Take note, let's take note again. So this is a good side facing you. Now look at the slit. Is it facing your left or is at your right? Now it's at my left point. So you're fixing this. So you quickly indicate it at the wrong side, L. So you're fixing this sleeve to the left part of your body. Take note. Now let's pick the second sleeve. This is second. This is a good side facing you, right? Now take a look at this. See now, this is at the right part. So you quickly indicate arrow. So you're fixing this to the right part of your body. Now let's go over fixing our plackets. Okay, so remember the width of our cuff. This is a collar gum seam. You get your collar gum seam, right? You get your collar gum seam. The width of your collar gum seam is 2 inches. 2 inches. And the length is 8 inches, right?